This lesson covers building a user-defined function in Excel which can produce a positive sentiment analysis score on text with the function implemented using Python code. Let's see how it works. 0 indicates a low positive sentiment, whereas 1 equals a high positive sentiment. So here you see customers and reviews. Some of the reviews are negative, some others are positive. The user-defined function is called positive sentiment score, and it returns a score between 0 and 1, indicating whether the text was positive. For example, brilliant has a score of 1, whereas poor service and expensive has a score of 0. First of all, you have to install Python. The latest version of Python is located as follows. Once Python has been downloaded, start a Windows DOS command prompt and pip install NumPy, XLWings and NLTK. Call XLWings add-in install. This will install the add-in which will enable the Python code to be called from Excel. Create an Excel macro-enabled workbook in which you're going to use this function, and also a Python source code file, and place them in the same folder and with the same names, for example text.xlsm and test.py. Start a Python shell and import NLTK, and also download the Veda lexicon. This will be used for the sentiment analysis. In the Python test.py code file, import XLWings, also import the sentiment intensity analyzer, and define and implement the function that will be called by Excel, which takes a string as an argument. Declare an instance of the sentiment intensity analyzer, and then return the positive score which has been produced by calling the polarity scores method. In the Excel workbook, enable trust access to the VBA project object model. In the VBA editor of the Excel workbook, select Tools, References, and ensure XLWings has been selected. In the Excel workbook, select the XLWings ribbon and click Import Functions. You only need to do this first time, or if you make edits, you'll then be able to use the sentiment analysis function.